Hello from Bush Support. In this video, we will show you how to install the stand on a Bush TV. This video is relevant to most Bush TVs, but please check your user manual if your TV stand looks different. The strut on the stand should already have the metal plate attached. If the metal plate is not already attached, slot it into position. Then, use 2 of the supplied silver screws to attach the metal plate to the TV stand strut. Slot the strut into position on the TV stand. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to attach the TV stand foot to the strut with 2 of the supplied screws. The screw holes can be found underneath the TV stand foot. If the stand has not already got the rubber feet attached, slot them into position on the bottom of the stand. Next, place the TV face down on a smooth flat surface. Ensure that the top of the stand is positioned behind the protruding lip. If it is not behind the lip, your TV will lean forwards. You can now use the remaining black screws to attach the stand to the TV. Ensure all screws are attached securely before placing the TV upright. Your TV is now ready to use. For further information, please visit www.bush-support.com.